In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp, step by step. A Gantt chart is a timeline view that shows tasks, start and end dates, and how work overlaps, making it perfect for planning projects and tracking progress at a glance. In ClickUp, the fastest way to get a clean, ready-to-use Gantt setup is by using a template designed for this purpose. I'll walk you through that process from start to finish. First, head to ClickUp and open your workspace in the web app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want this project to live. If you work across multiple workspaces or teams, double check the logo or workspace name in the top left so you don't build in the wrong place. Next, open the space where you want your Gantt chart. Find the space on the left sidebar, then open its space settings. This is important because applying a template at the space level ensures your lists, tasks, and views get created in the right spot. If you don't see space settings, you may need the appropriate permissions, so check with your admin if it's hidden. Inside space settings, look for the templates area and click Browse Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, which includes pre-built structures, fields, and views that save you setup time and reduce manual configuration. In the template library, use the search bar to type Gantt chart. You'll see a selection of Gantt-focused templates. Click into any option to preview what it includes, such as lists, sample tasks, start and due date fields, dependencies, and a Gantt view already configured. Choose the template that best matches your project style and complexity. If you're new to Gantt charts, a simpler template is often easier to learn from. When you're ready, click Use Template on your selected option. This starts the import flow. You'll see a summary of what will be created. Nothing in your existing work is deleted. The template simply adds new structure to your chosen space. To finish, click Use Template again to confirm and apply it. Keep the default options if you're unsure. They're usually safe for a first setup. The import may take a few moments. When it's done, you'll see the new lists, example tasks, and a Gantt view available within your space. That's it. You now have a functional Gantt setup in ClickUp. From here, start adding tasks with start and due dates, assign owners, and link dependencies to visualize how work flows across time. Thanks for watching and happy planning.